Hello, and welcome to this episode of Command Line Basics for Linux. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the use of the file command. The file command helps determine the type of file and its data. The command does not take the file extension into account and instead runs a series of tests to discover the type of file data. Prior to running the command, let's review the help documentation. To do so, we type in file --help. Here you can see it provides the name of the command, brief description of the command, and any options available to execute with the command. To begin, let's review the contents of the documents directory. Here you see several files and a directory. And here in our first example, we want to verify the contents of the example document. To do so, we type in file example.txt. And here it returns example text is an empty file. Now we can test multiple files at the same time by typing in file, file 1, file 2, and here you see it returns that file 1 and file 2 are ASCII to text. Now we can also check multiple files at the same time by using the ASCII asterisk wildcard. To do so, we simply type in file star. And here it tests all the contents of the current working directory. Now we can also check a directory itself by typing in file, files. And here you see it returns that files is a directory. And we can test the contents of that directory by typing in files, files slash star. And there it says that there's the files directory contains 4 files, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they all are ASCII character texts. If you notice, I have a file here called list. Let's take a look at the contents of that file. Here you can see it's a list of file names that are in the working directory. Example text, file 1, 2, 3, 4, and hello world text, my script sh, OpenSUSE PNG, tux, and the directory files. We can use that list to check the contents of the directory against that list. To do so, we type in file list or file-f list. As you can see, it comes back and displays the type of documents that are contained in the directory. And in our last example, we can verify system files as well. by typing in file, and we want to check the dev SDA2 file system. And it comes back indicating dev SDA2 block is special. And that is correct because it's a system file. So we need elevated privileges to check this. And we can type in sudo file -s /dev SDA2 and enter. And you can see it comes back with the information for the dev SDA2 file system. And that, my friends, is all there is to the file command in Linux. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.